Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the MixUp YouTube channel. Before going to today's topic, I have something to share with you. The most of the viewers of my channel or my videos are not subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, it gives more motivation to me to make more videos on the good stuff. So keep loving, keep supporting. Today's topic is about Apple's car 3D model. In the automobile industry, a huge number of car manufacturers are available, but nowadays the cost of the fuel goes high and high. So in order to overcome this, many companies working to manufacture electric cars. In this, some electric car manufacturing companies are available in the market with different models. Recently, Apple is also had working on electric car. In this, they had launched a big update that was Apple Car 3D model that gives a sneak peek at how it might look according to patents. Let us move into in detail. The Apple car has been in talks for a long time. Apple has filed various patents regarding a car and we may see it go into the production in 2024. The 3D model of the car shows us what the car may look like. Check out its interior and exterior design. There have been plenty of rumors about Apple working on electric cars from as early as 2014. However, the project has been extremely confidential in terms of details. According to a report in 9to5 Mac, we may not see the cars in the market before 2024, but UK-based vehicle leasing company Vanarma has used Apple's patents to create a 3D model of what the car might look like. You should note that the created model does not replicate the final design of the Apple's car, but it gives an idea of what we can expect from one of the Apple's biggest innovations in years. From now, the Vanarma model is what we can speculate, and here's what it looks like. Let us talk about the exterior design. From the outside, the Apple car render looks somewhat similar to Tesla Boxy Cybertruck, but it is a lot less angular than the Cybertruck, which claims to have a futuristic design but looks very pointy and wide. The car has a pillarless structure as per the patent US 10309132B1 and features a wheel, windshield and the windows and the sunroof. It has adaptive doors as per the patent US 10384519B1 with scoped windows that offers more headroom while boarding. In the front of the car is a mesh-like grille that is inspired by Mac Pro circular vents and has a glowing Apple logo taken from previous generation MacBooks. The retractable door handles of the car reassemble the side buttons of an iPhone. While these are not based on any patents, Vanarma has also made it look like sleek SUV and given it to the frosted white finish of the iPhone. Let us move into the interior design. Inside the car, we have an automated assistant like Siri as per patent JP2020173835A that is built into the steering wheel. It also features a customizable dashboard as per the patent EP2581248B1 that allows drivers to control the interiors of the car including the air conditioning and sound system. A seamless display as per the patent US 2020-021-4148A1 free of bulky edges and borders, scratches, the length of the dashboard and the center console. While we may not hear any official news from Apple anytime soon, the 3D model of Vanarma looks like the imagination of the car from the future. From now, this is all we have to cherish until we hear Apple's announcement regarding the same. So today's tech news are completed. Meet you with more interesting and amazing tech news. Signing off, yours truly Naveen, MixHub YouTube channel. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe.